How to put video inside text with Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Move the playhead above your video, select your video, and open up the Fusion page. Drag a text into the composition, then in the inspector type a text and change its style. Now attach the output of the text into the blue input of media in to create a text mask. And now we put the video into the text. Now let's change the background color. Add a background node. Drag a merge node and drop it after media in when the line turns blue. Click on the right side of the line which connects media into the merge node and drag it into the green input of the merge node. This will make the media in the foreground node in the merge node. Attach the background node to the yellow input of the merge node. This will make the background node the background of the merge node. So, the yellow is for the background and the green is for foreground. Select the background node and change its color. Now go back to the edit page and we have a video inside text with a colored background. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.